Peppers are looking so nice. And then I have some sweet peppers, okra, got some bugs on it, carrots, and then my purple whole beans. This tree is loaded. Sunflower. Just planted some more peppers. Got a baby eggplant coming. Let's hope it lasts. Green bell pepper. I don't know, something's wrong with this one. I need to cut it back. And then here's all those black-eyed peas from the last video I took them, letting them dry out for seeds or to have dry black-eyed peas. Gotta come out here. More okra. Got some weeds in there I need to clean out. So what we're doing here, we're weeding the pineapples because there are too many weeds in there and they were looking horrible. So we're cleaning all the weeds out so they can have some fresh air down there because the weeds are clogging it up. We just simply pull them and chunk them. So we have all these to do and a few more pineapple row over here. And to make life easy, I just water them while they're being weeded. Go ahead and finish weeding. It just makes it a lot easier for the weeds to come out. And just water them down. So one of my subscribers wanted me to show them how we harvest the beans. So we have a little scissor, little clip. Let me see your knife, your scissors. Okay, and then we just find one and we cut it. Can you cut this one, Rob, so I can show the nice people? And we snip and we put them in there. Very simple. Now my only thing with this is I don't know once I clip these, do they grow more? Because this is my first time growing purple hull. So I'm going to see what happens. I think it's just a one-shot deal, but I'm gonna find out. But yep, just clip them, put them in. Can you do these right here, Rob?
Yes, sir.
Simple. Yep. And that's basically it. And then after a while, you have a bucket full of purple whole beans. And then the pineapple lane was very weedy, and we just got through weeding everything, so that's how that looked. This is the newest one I planted today, and I just keep them. So glad it's raining. All of my plants are getting fresh rainwater. Woo, it's cold out here. Now this one might have too much water, but we'll fix that a little later. Here's that one from Lowe's coming back. Here's another one I purchased. That's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful yellow and pink flowers. Here's some pothos. I actually propagated these two from another plant. I have some lemongrass, some aloe, pineapple. I harvested a pineapple from there, and now I have a side shoot. Let's see if you can see that. That's the side shoot. The brown part is the original pineapple, and then the other side is the side shoot. And then my lime tree. Yeah, that's basically it. Water gushing. Beautiful rainy day. Got some seeds here. Beautiful rainy Monday. I love the rain. Woo, but it's cold.